Saya Manggura Dwanda dari 11.3. Pesan dan kesan saya selama perjalanan ini, saya bisa mendapatkan banyak pengalaman, bisa mendapatkan pelajaran juga dari kakak-kakak yang sudah ada di apa itu namanya kuliahan, yang udah lulus di kuliah-kuliahan di tempat yang kita kunjungi. Terus asiknya bisa pergi bareng kawan-kawan, pergi bareng guru-guru juga, dan apa ya?
Perkenalkan, saya Firza Nadira dari kelas 3 akan memberi pesan dan kesan selama di bus 1 sama kurang lebih 7 hari. Kesannya bus ini seru, asik, sering karaoke, sering ngobrol-ngobrol, pokoknya seru bus ini. Terus bus ini juga seru karena ada Pak Noli sering pantun, cakep. Terus juga bus ini saling mempedulikan satu sama lain, ya, saling menghargai, saling mempedulikan. Kalau ada yang sakit ini langsung peduli bareng-bareng. Terus ya, pesannya semoga bersatu walaupun tidak bisa itu lagi, tetap saling menyapa di sekolah, sering bareng-bareng. Terus makanannya enak, McD, KFC, Alikete, mantap. Pak Faisal keren. Terus enaknya ya enak, ajak bareng-bareng, ya rame-rame. Yang enaknya tidurnya, karena gejalanya geluduk-geluduk kan, jadi tidurnya kadang kita diter. Terus enaknya kurang cepat ngecas, jadi full ini redaksi ini full semua. Sudah, semoga bus 1 selalu keren. Bus 1 kita teguh, percaya kita tentu.
Don't pretend you're sorry. I know you're not. You know you got the power to make me weak inside. And girl, you're leaving me breathless. But it's okay, 'cause you are my survival. Now hear me say, I can't imagine life without your love. And even forever don't seem like long enough. 'Cause every time I breathe I take you in, and my heart beats again. Baby, I can't help it, keep me drowning in your love. Every time I try to rise above, I'm swept away by love. Baby, I can't help it, keep me drowning in your love. Maybe I'm a drifter, maybe not, 'cause I have known the safety of floating freely in your arms. I don't need another lifeline, it's not for me. It's only you can save me. Oh, can't you see? I can't imagine
everlasting, that you would always be mine. Now you wanna be free, so I let you fly. 'Cause I know in my heart, babe, our love will never die. No, you'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Boy, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can't erase the feeling that's strong. And I know you're never gonna shake me. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Hey. Do-do-do-do-do-down. Do-do-do-do-down. Do-do-do-do-down. I ain't gonna cry, no, and I won't beg you to stay.